So next one is sets in Python. Okay. So first coming to what is a set? Okay. So set is nothing but a container, just like in mathematics how we write set representation. In the same way we can write and use this sets concept here. And this is represented in the form of braces. Okay, like this. Clear? Now one more thing is, in order to generate a set, we have to separate all the elements with the help of comma. Okay, like if you have multiple elements to write 1 comma 2 comma 3, you can write like this. And next coming to duplicates. Okay, duplicates are automatically removed from the sets. Okay, so if you try to give duplicate values, it will automatically remove. And sets are immutable. Okay, you cannot change those values. Okay, so let's see this example. My set is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so this is my set and I'm trying to print this particular set. We'll get the result exactly like this. Okay, and these are the corresponding braces that are used to create a set, curly braces. And next, you can also have a list of elements, but then you can convert this list of elements into a set. Okay, so 1 2 3 2 are the list of elements. Now I want to convert this into set. This is the meaning of converting the list into set. And after conversion, since set data structure, okay, will not allow any duplicate values, so this will remove duplicate values. You can see here in the list, original list, 2 is appearing 2 times, so that will be removed, and then we are printing this set. Okay, you can observe this set is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and next one is we are creating an empty set. Okay, how do we print an empty set? Okay, so you can print just like this. This will create an empty set. Okay, whenever you want to create an empty set, you can write like this. Okay, suppose I want to initialize an empty set, and then I can write like this: s1 is equal to an empty set, and if you want one more empty set, you can write s2 is equal to empty set, just like this. And next, we can perform standard mathematical operations on sets. Okay, so like set 1 containing elements 1 2 3 and set 2 containing elements 3 4 5. Okay, now you can check whether one element is appearing inside the set or not with the help of membership operator called in. So 1 in set 1, so 1 is actually appearing inside set 1, that's why it is going to return true. Okay, suppose if you are asking like this, 7 in set 2, this must be returning false because inside set 2 there is no element called 7. Okay, thank you.